Hi and welcome to another video tutorial in which I'll be talking about the halting problem. So the halting problem was devised by Alan Turing, and it asks whether it is possible to know if a given program will halt or continue to run forever for a given input. And in 1936, Alan Turing proved that a machine to solve the halting problem for all possible programs and their inputs can't exist. And the halting problem can be represented graphically, and I've drawn a diagram over here. So we've got this machine, let's call it H, and it takes an input I, and it says, will some program P halt for input I, and yes or no are the possible results there. Okay, so let's just run through what we've done so far then with the halting problem. So it was devised by Alan Turing, and it asks whether it is possible to know if a given program will halt or continue to run forever for a given input. In 1936, Turing proved that a machine to solve the halting problem for all possible programs and their inputs can't exist. However, it is possible to know for a particular program and a particular input whether that program will halt or continue to run forever. And that's the important thing to remember there. So let's just go over that one more time. Turing was not saying that it's not possible to know whether a particular program will halt or continue to run forever for a particular input. We can do that because we can have a program, say for example, while x equals true. If we set x to be true up here, output low. And we know that's going to continue to run forever because x is never going to be not true. X is never going to be false. So we can know for a particular program whether it will continue to run forever or halt on a particular input. What Turing was saying is that it's not possible to construct a machine that we've called H in this example that can work out whether, given any program and all its inputs, whether it will halt or continue to run forever. In your exam, you might also be asked about the significance of the halting problem. And what you've got to write down there is that the halting problem demonstrates that problems exist which can't be solved by a computer. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this tutorial video on the halting problem. That's all you need to know for A-level computer science, so I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.